Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. This is going to be a giveaway video, as the thumbnail hopefully told you already. A few of you may have had some thoughts about how crazy I am. Well, this is actually version 1 hardware, so let's get that right out on the table first of all. So I went in and verified that it was version hardware. It is version, 1.0.2. I did update this some time ago. I think it says it's running Brain 1.0.7. There may be another update after that I just didn't put on it. There's nothing wrong with this unit. I actually haven't had it in my goggles at all, and that's why I'm giving it away. I just don't think there is a reason for me to keep holding on to stuff when I'm not using it. Somebody can use this and they'll be perfectly fine with it. There's the whole camera issue, and if you watch Joshua Bardwell's video that just came out, Tony Cake was apparently, if you don't know who he is apparently the bigwig behind this product, or Immersion as a company, I'm not certain of which. He commented that the difference between the two hardware versions was negligible and it wasn't worth upgrading to. So if you're wondering about version 1 or version 2 hardware, you need to do some of your own research and have to have your own opinion. Maybe you're not interested in this product. As far as Joshua's testing goes, this came out on top, and so I thought somebody could use this. It's been sitting here on my desk for, I pre-ordered this a long time ago, and then it finally came out, and there was a little bit of a mix-up there, but I just have never gotten around to using it. I've been pretty happy with my setup so far, and I really don't feel a need to change. It's just one more thing I have to work on and get used to that's going to slow me down in creating the content that I do. So with all that, for the giveaway stipulations, you must leave one comment, and one comment only, down below. You must also leave a like. The comment picker will show whether you have left a like or not, and if you haven't left a like, then we throw out that, and we click the pick a winner again. And the last thing is to be a subscriber. So it's pretty easy. Leave a comment, click that like button, be a subscriber. Now, if you're within the continental US, I will pay for shipping for this product to you. If you're abroad, or if you're in Hawaii or somewhere far away, then we'll try to work out shipping, whether that's to split it 50-50. If it's, $100 to get it to you, I'm sorry, but that's going to be on you. I can't afford to drop $100 on shipping a free product to you. So to hit you over the head again, leave a comment, click the like button, be a subscriber. Pretty simple, and you can get what, according to Joshua's testing results, have as the best receiver for Fat Shark goggles on the market. Okay, so leave your comment. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.